What's something people don't know about the Sahara? It used to have rivers, hippos, even ancient lakes. Not just sand. Thousands of years ago, the Sahara was covered in grasslands with crocodiles swimming in massive lakes like Lake Megachad. Ancient cave art even shows giraffes and elephants roaming free. But then, the climate flipped. Suddenly rain vanished, turning paradise into a sea of sand. Some legends say lost cities are still buried beneath the dunes. Want to know what else Earth is hiding? Stick around for more.